Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can quickly and easily update the Telegram app on your Android device. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video. Also, don't forget to write your comments. And let me and you get down to this topic. So friends, in order to update the Telegram experience on your Android, first, you will need to open another app which is called Play Store. Yes, you will have to update Telegram from the same app where you downloaded Telegram. So, when you open it and you're on the main page, here you'll need to type the name of the app, that is Telegram, in the search box at the top. Application, which is Telegram. Then open it, and here, where I have the word open, you will have the word update. You just need to click on it, and you will immediately see how the process of updating Telegram will start. It takes about half a minute or a minute tops. It's a pretty fast process, you can easily track it. And you'll see this kind of percentage scale to see how long you have to wait for the update. Once you've updated Telegram, you'll be able to easily open it either like I have now, from the Play Store app itself, or as you normally do from your desktop. And also, friends, I recommend to everyone, for the future, so you don't have to remember, so it doesn't take you time, this update process. Above the Telegram name, click on the three dots and set it to auto update. That will save you time, and every time some update of this application comes out, it will happen automatically. This is the way you can quickly and easily update Telegram on your Android. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please put your likes under the video, write comments, and see you soon.